Okay, here we go with my shit hits the fan system. Got a Ruger 1022 stainless barrel, Simmons scope on it. Came with it. Got it on sale at Gainer Mountain. I got a magazine pouch here. It's got the Bear Grylls survival kit. It's got fire strikers, and waterproof matches, a few other little things, and I got a box of 50 round box of 22 long rifle down in here. Let's see. Then I got my Ruger scoped rifle scabbard. I got some extra pouches on it. I have a large fixed blade knife. Got a compass pouch with 2 extra 10 round mags right there. Got this pouch. I got a Mylar emergency blanket in here. Got a trioxane fuel tab and a 50 round box of 22 long rifle in there. This one here, got a small LED flashlight and clip on to whatever. Another 50 round box of ammo. And a film can with cotton balls in it. Soaked them in a little bit of baby oil. They make great fire starters. And I guess that's my grab and go pack for the zombie apocalypse.